Dear students, in this video I discuss the solution of non-homogeneous partial differential equation by direct integration. Means in this case we have to solve the partial differential equation. We have to find the given function. It means the here in this problem the given equation is del square u by del x square is equal to x plus y is there. So we need to solve this differential equation. We have to find u value, means u is a function, so we have to find u value. Okay, so here by direct integration means this del square u by del x square, it also can written as del by del x half del u by del x, which is equal to x plus y. Okay, now so first here we need to eliminate this del by del x. What we do? We go to integration. Here integrate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, we treat y as a constant. Y has a constant, that is del u by del x, which is equal to integral of x plus y into dx. That is del u by del x, which is equal to derivative of x is x square by 2 plus y is constant, derivative of constant is x plus c. C is a arbitrary constant. Here in this case, instead of arbitrary constant, here we use arbitrary function. Here we treat y as a constant. Now arbitrary function with respect to y, that is f of y. Next step, here we need to eliminate del by del x. Del by del x means again integrate, I means here integration, integrate with respect to x on both sides. Okay, again we treat y as a constant, that is u is equal to integral of x square by 2 plus xy plus f of y into dx. That is u is equal to integral 1 by 2 is constant, integral of x square is x cube by 3 plus y is constant, integral of x is x square by 2 plus f of y is constant, integral of constant is x plus arbitrary constant. Okay, again here we use, instead of arbitrary constant we use arbitrary function with respect to y, because we treat y as a constant now. So here already we use the function f, then we use another function, that is h of y. Therefore u is equal to x cube by 6 plus x square y divided by 2 plus x into f of y plus h of y is the given function. Like that we have to solve the given partial differential equation. Okay, now I take one more problem. Here in this problem, the problem is del square z by del x into del y, which is equal to x by y into a. So again here this equation can be written as del square z by del x half del z by del y, which is equal to x by y plus a. Okay, now so we need to first eliminate del by del x. So that what we do, integrate with respect to x on both sides. Integrate with respect to x on both sides. That is del z by del y, which is equal to integral of x by y plus a into dx. That is del z by del y, which is equal to 1 by y is constant, integral of x is x square by 2 plus a is constant, integral of constant is x plus c. C is, instead of arbitrary constant we use arbitrary function with respect to y, that is f of y. Next step, here we need to eliminate del by del y. That what we do, integrate with respect to y. Integrate with respect to y on both sides. That is z is equal to x square by 2y, integral of x square by 2y plus ax plus f of y into dy. Therefore x is equal to, now integrate with respect to y, treat x as a constant. So x square by 2 is constant, integral of 1 by y is log y plus ax is constant, integral of constant is y plus integral of the function f of y plus use plus c. So plus c means here we use or consider arbitrary function with respect to x, that is h of x. So therefore z is equal to x square by 2 into log y plus axy plus integral of f of y is represented by capital F of y plus h of x. H of x, we get the solution of the given partial differential equation. Now I take another problem. Now here in this problem, the problem is del square z by del x into del y, which is equal to sin x into sin y, for which del z by del y is equal to minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0 and z is equal to 0 if y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Odd means here we take n is equal to even number or odd number. So here we get the odd. See, n is equal to, it means here y can written as y is equal to 2n plus y is equal to 0 to 1. 1 is odd number, n is equal to 2, 2 to 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 is the odd number, n is equal to 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, means here again we get the odd number. Okay, so simply we can write 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. So first we solve this equation, first find z value. Okay, now that is del square z by del x into del y, which is equal to sin x into sin y. So in this equation, first here it can written as, first we need to eliminate del by del x, that was integrate with respect to x on both sides, that is z is equal to integral of sin x into sin y into dx, that is del z by del y, that is del z by del y, which is equal to integrate with respect to x now. So then here sin y is constant, integral of sin x is minus cos x plus f of y. Okay, now integrate with respect to y, integrate with respect to y, we need to eliminate del by del y now. So that was integrate with respect to y, that is z is equal to minus integral of minus sin y into cos x plus f of y into dy, that is z is equal to minus cos x is constant, integral of sin y is minus cos y, minus it to minus it become plus integral of f of y plus h of x, that is z is equal to cos x plus cos y plus integral of f of y can be written as capital F of y, which is plus h of x. Okay, now here using the given condition we need to find capital F of y and also h of x. So first condition is, if z is equal to when x is equal to 0, del z by del y value minus 2 sin y, and z is equal to 0 if y is an odd multiple of pi by 2. So here if first take first condition, call it as equation number 1. If z is equal to 0, then y is an odd multiple of pi by 2 means 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Then z is equal to cos x into cos x into cos of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 plus f of y plus h of x. Odd multiple of pi by 2 means here we take f of y plus h of x. Here a cos of odd multiple of pi by 2 value 0, because we know that cos pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, cos 5 pi by 2 values are 0. Therefore, the z value also 0. So 0, which is equal to f of y, capital F of y plus h of x. It is also can be written as h of x is equal to minus f of y. Call it as equation number 2. Now take another condition. Another condition is del z by del y is equal to minus 2 sin y when n is equal to x is equal to 0. This value substitute in this equation. Call it as equation number 1. This one is 2 and this one is 3. Okay. So take condition substitute in 1. What happened? Del z by del y value minus 2 sin y when x is equal to 0. x is equal to 0 here, which is equal to minus sin y into cos 0 plus f of y. Okay, cos 0 value 1, then f of y is equal to minus 2 sin y plus sin y. Minus 2 sin y plus sin y will become minus sin y. Then here I need to capital f of y value, but we know that capital f of y is equal to integral of f of y. Okay, that is capital F of y is equal to minus integral of sin y. Integral of sin y value minus cos y value plus cos y. This value substitute in this equation. So here we know that h of x is equal to minus f of x. Therefore, h of x is equal to minus cos y. Now, these two value substitute in given equation, that is z is equal to cos x into cos y. Okay, cos x into cos y plus capital F of x value cos y, h of x value minus cos y. Cos x plus minus cos x become cancel. Therefore, z is equal to cos x into cos y. So, like that we have to find the, or like that we have to solve the partial differential equation by using direct integration. Thank you.